Hey, A here from 10,000 Foot View, and I've got another Google Ads quick tip for you today. So a question I saw recently on the Reddit PPC sub and responded to was pretty straightforward, which is where do you find keyword ideas or where do you get them? And the truth is, there's actually a lot of different ways you can go about doing that. So I'm going to just quickly go through various options today, and I'm not going to go in depth on like exactly how to use each tool. This is just going to be more like a summary of different tools you can use. So the first one, and I'd say that the broadest one when you're just like starting a new project would be Google Trends. And this is going to give you really high level stuff. So, I mean, you can just go and put in something like accounting software, and you get a sense for like if that's trending up or down. And then you can also see related topics, and then you can get breakouts for those. Again, these aren't going to be that specific. So it's like very high level place to kind of start. A tool that we use a lot at my agency is SEMrush. And you can use this tool in a couple of ways. The way I'm showing it here, I've just searched for accounting software as a keyword, and this tool will give you a whole bunch of different similar topic keywords, and you can use a myriad of tools in here to like kind of dig in and find related keywords to that. Along with all kinds of information about those, who's bidding on them, and all that. Another way to use this is to pull up a competitor in here and see what keywords they're targeting in paid search. And that can really be useful to identify additional keyword themes that you may have otherwise missed. So those are kind of a couple of quick external tools that you can use. And then there are a bunch of things you can do inside of Google Ads. One tool that a lot of folks don't use at all is the Insights report. And Google has actually done a much better job lately with some recent updates to provide a lot more information. And you can pull up the Insights report for search campaigns as well as PMAX. And you can really dig in and see like what search queries are in there that maybe you're not targeting as keywords. The next one is the actual search queries report. It's something you should be doing as part of your regular optimization, is digging into that and identifying high performing queries that you're not targeting specifically as keywords and then adding those back. The next one is Keyword Planner. And that's a tool where you can use inside of Google Ads to like come up with a whole keyword strategy. I can tell you Google has just made a change to the tool where they're actually no longer providing specific keyword volume, which is a bit of a drag, but such is life. And then the last tool, and probably the easiest one, is if you go into an existing ad group and you just click plus to add more keywords, Google will provide you a list of keywords that it recommends to add, and you can go through those one by one and decide which ones are relevant, which ones are not, and add those into your additional or your existing ad group. So again, I mean, this isn't, all the details of how you're going to use these tools, but at least it's kind of an overview of what tools are available, and there are a lot. So hopefully, if you're not using some of those tools, you'll have a look at them. It will help you with campaign performance. And that is it for today. I will see you next time.